How to make firefighter spaghetti. Hey everyone, welcome back to Food and Fun. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Today, we've got something special for you. We're making firefighter spaghetti. This dish is hearty, flavorful, and perfect for feeding a crowd. It's a go-to meal for firefighters after a long day of saving lives, and today we're bringing it to your kitchen. Ingredients. All right, let's get started by going over the ingredients you'll need. 1 pound spaghetti, 1 pound ground beef, 1 pound Italian sausage, 1 large onion, chopped, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 to 28 ounce can crushed tomatoes, 1 to 14 ounce can diced tomatoes, 1 to 6 ounce can tomato paste, 2 cups beef broth, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional for heat, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, fresh basil leaves for garnish. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the pasta. First, let's get our pasta cooking. Boil water in a large pot, add a pinch of salt, and cook the spaghetti according to package instructions. Step 2. Brown the meat. While the pasta is cooking, let's brown our ground beef and Italian sausage in a large skillet. Make sure to break it up into small pieces as it cooks. Step 3. Sauté the veggies. Once the meat is browned, remove it from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet, add a tablespoon of olive oil and sauté the chopped onion and minced garlic until translucent. Step 4. Make the sauce. Now let's make our sauce. In a large pot, combine the crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and tomato paste. Add in the sautéed onions and garlic, as well as the browned meat. Step 5. Season and simmer. Time to season. Add salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and if you like it spicy, some red pepper flakes. Stir well and let it simmer for about 20 minutes to let the flavors meld together. Step 6. Combine and serve. Our pasta should be done by now. Drain it and add it to the sauce. Give it a good mix and we're almost there. Finish it off with some grated Parmesan and fresh basil leaves for garnish. And there you have it, firefighter spaghetti. This is so good. It's hearty, it's flavorful, and it's perfect for those days when you need a little extra comfort. If you try this recipe, make sure to tag us on social media. We'd love to see your creations. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, stay hungry, my friends.